Hello, I'm Tyler Tully and today I'm joined by Odyssey Gold Executive Director Matt Syme. Matt, you've just released a technical study for your Tuckanarra Gold project. Can you tell us what this has shown you?
Well, remember, Tyler, we did this study as part of our MOU with our joint venture partner, Monument Mining, and they're looking to upgrade their Burnakura mill, recommission and upgrade their Burnakura mill to 750,000 tonnes per annum. So we've been looking at the options for us to develop Tuckanarra to feed the Burnakura mill of that stuff. It's fair to say the outcomes from that mining study are really supportive of that development model for us. So we're pretty excited about the outcome now.
What exploration upside is there at Tuckanarra?
Well, interestingly enough, you might recall we released a result a couple of weeks ago from infill drilling around the cable pit, and remarkably hit 20 metres at 7.1 grams from 47 metres within the design pit, the table under the mining study. We had some clues that there might have been another parallel structure out there, parallel vein structure out there. It was fantastic to get that sort of result. That just reinforces that, as well as the deeper potential where all of these deposits probably are just the surface expressions of high-grade fresh rock shoots. There's lots of potential still for us to find other open pit resources in the area. There's a stack of vein structures going west of the main cable bollard trend over about 250 metres, 5 or 6 structures, and they extend over a kilometre up north-south up through the old Anchor Trilby workings. And so we'll address those targets pretty aggressively, because adding more open pit resources in that area would be fantastic for the economics of the project.
I think you've just touched on it there, but what other advantages does the project have as a near-term gold story?
Well, the near-term elements are really compelling. As we said in our announcement earlier this week, the permitting study we did as part of the mining study just reinforced how advanced our permitting status is. Most of the resources are on mining leases, but more importantly, there's an approved mining proposal there. And we could have all our permits lined up to develop the initial stages of mining as early as next year.
And you're now preparing a scoping study. When might investors expect that? And is there anything else that they should be looking out for?
We remobilised drilling, in fact, today, and that rig will be doing some infill drilling at the highway deposit. The scoping study is going to need us to drill some more inferred resources up to indicated. So that timing depends on how the drilling goes, of course, and then the new mineral resource estimate behind that. Most of the other study work, technical work in the mining study we just completed, is equally applicable to the scoping study. So the real question is how quickly you can drill up that inferred to indicated. Could be either side of Christmas, but certainly we'll be aiming for the new year.
Definitely sounds like exciting times ahead. Matt, thanks for your time today.
Thanks very much, Starla. Yeah.